displays the pressure evenly of being alive. Total collapse.
I am 22 and I've got it figured out. Senses dull but I'm more intoxicated, like old friends, just acquaintances, but comfortable. Death on my arm and a burn on my back, liquid gold sharing smokes. Our mouths touch for a second. I think you wanted it, but I get uncertain and shy and write about how I wish I kissed you or just held you more. We kicked our shoes off and went topless in the lake tramps. Like us, baby, we were born to build sexual tension.
Unexpected confessions of love. I love you too. Restless fragility and asensitivity contest to see who comes out on top. Nervous bodies. Warmer bodies. Softer bodies. Slowly calming when you go down on me. Phantom limb, but for people I didn't know very well anyways. Reflection becomes poison and the search for pure longing to be lonely. Unholy, unholy, unholy. When love is repetition, repetition, repetition. Company becomes certainty and the search for disaster. Nostalgia becomes novelty and the search for childhood. Metal meets skin and again you are ageless. Unforgiving world, it's gray with an orange lining. A dissection, an observation, an opinion, an obsession, an altercation, no direction.
I will become the person I needed there for me as a child. That's not romance, that's a threat. I think you robbed me of my personality. Hey, could I get it back? Maybe hell is real and it's uncertain. Loving you was like loving the ocean. I was shipwrecked when you swam out and drove me into the sun. Good for what? I will become the person I need here for me right now.